Hi guys, Gil at Camppatton Family Compound here, and today I have a first, so stick around and check this out. Okay, so for the first, something special. But before I get to that, I want to remind everybody first, don't forget, check out our 1,000 subscriber giveaway and the 1,000 subscriber grand prize special videos. These are two videos out there. Still time to join in and get in and possibly win one of the 10 prizes for the 1,000 subscriber giveaway or the over $500 value grand prize giveaway. All right. Rules are simple. Check those videos out. This one's called our 1,000 subscriber giveaway contest, and then the 1,000 subscriber grand prize. So check those out. It's on the website. So now, also one other thing, if you haven't had a chance to subscribe, go ahead and subscribe. Actually, you need to subscribe if you want to enter into either one of these contests. You have to be a subscriber. 2, pound the thumbs up button, and 3, when you subscribe, don't forget to ring the bell, because that's also one of the requirements for both of these giveaways. Alrighty, now what's so special? What's the first? Well, this is the first mail call. Alright, I got something from Uncle Al at Die Bullfrog 79. That's his channel. And he sent me a couple things. First was the Christmas card, and it says, open here, got you something special for Christmas. You're holding it. And he wrote in there the books. He sent me a couple books. Well, go with the older one first. Crossbows. Really good, nice illustrations on it. This thing here goes back in and covers a lot of history on crossbows and good information. Has some modern crossbows in there as well. Really cool book. I'm going to enjoy reading that one, but not as much as I'm going to enjoy this next one. Dutch Oven Cookbook from the World Championship. Recipes. Recipes upon recipes upon recipes for Dutch oven cooking. What was that? There was some really cool stuff in here. But yeah, it has charts and graphs and everything. Really cool. Of course, the find the one picture here. I kind of like that funny picture there. So, anyways, that's what Uncle Al sent me here. If you're not subscribed to Uncle Al yet, go over and check him out. Die Bullfrog 79. I'll put a link down below in the description to his channel. And it's Bullfrog with 1 L. Not 2 L's for bull. So Die Bullfrog 79, and I'll put the link down in there. Check him out. He's a little bit crazy, a little bit weird, but his craziness is crazy like a fox. Right? So check him out. And as always, thank you for stopping by, checking out our. This is our first mail call, so this is kind of unusual for me. So I'd like to say, as always, stay happy, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video. All right? Bye.